All right, kiddos. This week in social studies, you are going to give advice for next year's second graders. So, how to succeed in the second grade. You're going to use the typing function and you're going to type out things that you learned. You're going to type out things that are most surprising or most difficult. One thing that I know was most difficult at the beginning of the year, but you were totally nailing it by the end of the year, was asking 3 people for help before Mrs. Scott. Remember how frustrating that was at the beginning of the year? But by the end of the year, you were all able to seek advice from peers. And did you see how easy that was? So we started off and we had this big box as we were typing. But if you click off to the side, your little dibbly dots will show up. And then you just drag it and make it smaller. And drag it and make it smaller here. Boop. And then you can drag it over. So then over here, you're going to type about things you learned. This year I learned, in math, I learned how to round to the nearest 10. I'm going to click off to the side and shrink it down, and boom, got it in there now. So that's your job this week, is to help on this page, and then there's a second page. What is the best advice you have for next year's students? What are some important rules second graders have to follow? And what did you love most about your class? So again, kiddos, next year's second graders will use this.